Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Hey, watch out. Get the fuck out of the way, lady. He's got a knife. Put the knife down. Fire 6602. Start fireboard. Suspect down.
On September 30th, 2025, at approximately 4:55 p.m., Cheverly police officers responded to the 6600 block of Greenland Street in Riverdale, Maryland, to investigate a stabbing that had occurred earlier that day in Cheverly. During the course of the investigation, Prince George's County police officers also arrived on scene. While on scene, officers encountered a man carrying 2 knives.
In the side yard. In the side yard.
He just went in the house, Heaney. He just went into the house.
Wait. Okay, I'm the mother. Wait.
Step back.
What's going on?
He's coming out. He's coming out. Yo. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Hey, watch out, Heaney. Back up, Heaney. Drop it. 7 Okay, good. Shots fired, 6602. Start fireboard, suspect down. All right, let's render. Get the knives. Get the knives, Heaney. Hey, get a tech kit. Hey, get your med kit. Get your med kit.
I can't see the other one, Webb. Where is it?
There's 2 of them. I don't know where the other one's at.
Put my med kit out. Look.
All right, right behind him.
Here. Get pressure.
129, Cheverly 1 deployed. Suspects down. We're rendering 8 at this time. All right, we're good, everybody.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Stay with us, man.
We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
Want me to start CPR?
Just get her, Brian.
I got you. Stay back, man. What, you down here?
129, everybody's good. We have 3 witnesses on scene. We're holding on to them. And we have the 7As secured. Just hang tight, sir. We're going to need to talk to you and stuff, okay? Is there anybody else inside the house? Okay.
Well, secure this one so I can...
They're in the side yard. They're in the side yard.
Sir, wait, officer, wait. Wait.
All right, we're waiting.
Okay, I'm the mother. Wait.
Step back.
What's going on?
Spence, you want to go?
Get the fuck out of the way, lady!
Drop it. He's got a knife! Get the...
Hey, get the knives. Get the knives. Hey, get a tech kit. Hey, get your med kit. Get your med kit.
I can't see the other one, Webb. Where is it?
There's 2 of them. I don't know where the other one's at.
Put my med kit out.
All right, right behind. Here.
We need a chest seal. My med kit.
In my back, pull it out. Pull it to the side.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Just breathe.
Stay with
just
us,
breathe.
man. We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
Okay. You want me to start CPR? Stay with us, buddy. Stay with us.
Got one in the arm.
B7A.
Don't come up here, man.
Guys on the backside. You gotta go back there.
I'm gonna go on the backside, Sarge. He's challenged something. He's got a knife! Get the wiki!
Stay back now.
Oh my goodness. I got my med kit. Hey, my backside, pull my med kit out. Look. Here. Med. My back kit, my med kit is in my back. Pull it out. Pull it to the side.
All right, we're good, everybody.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Stay with us, man.
We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
You want me to start CPR?
Hey, put the knife down.
The CPD police chief discharged his weapon, striking the suspect. Officers provided emergency medical aid until EMS units arrived. The man was pronounced dead on scene. 2 knives were recovered from the scene. No officers were injured during the incident.